I'll show you. I'll get them out of the vase and I'll show you so you can see. These are two and these are two, but you can see the difference. You can see the difference. Look at that. This is, so these are two. Hello everyone, welcome to Kanyiri Grows. Today's video, we're going to be talking about Pampers. This is a video that is long overdue. I've always been planning to do it, and I think this is the right moment to bring it to you. It's the end of autumn here in the UK, and we are starting to have loads of Pampers blossoming, and they're looking beautiful, as you can see. So I have a friend of mine who have this pampers tree, and at the moment it's looking really beautiful. So I went to visit her, and I asked if I could have some because I just love them. And today I'm going to also be showing you another different kind of, this is a different variety of pampers. I got a few from here as well, and I will show you, because as you can see, this is not looking very fluffy, it's not looking very beautiful. And I'm going to show you how you can prepare it, how you can maintain it, and make it look good. So first of all, when I brought them back home after cutting them, make sure you cut them to the desired length that you would like them. And so I brought them back home, and what I did is I hung them up so they could dry. I've tied them up with a black rubber band that I use for my daughter's hair, so I could hang them easily. So as you can see, they are now drying, and you want to leave them in a dry, cool place. If it's dark, is even better. So I left them here to dry for around 2 weeks, and once they started to dry, that's when I start the process of fluffing them out and getting them looking all nice and beautiful. So that's how they look when they're drying up. I have two different types of pampers here from each of those places that I've shown you. One tree is got this nice white pampers, and the other one has sort of like brownish color, as you can see, and it's more fluffier than the other ones. So this came from the shorter, that they were standing upright, and these were the pampas from the pampas tree that seemed to be going everywhere. But I seem to prefer this, the lighter color, more because it doesn't flake as much as the darker color. So with this lighter color, what I did is just once it got dry, I took it out, and I will be showing you how I got it ready. So you can follow this step even with these darker ones, but for today I'm gonna be showing you using these lighter ones because they seem to not be as fluffy as the other one. So stay tuned to see how we do this. They grow so tall and they grow so quick, so I harvested quite a lot. But this is just a short video to show you how I'm going to prep them. I'm going to fluff them up. So first thing I did when I harvested them is I brought them back home and I dried them. As you can see, the sticks now they're almost halfway there to being dry. Yeah, but as you can see, they don't look very fluffed up. In fact, now they look much better because it's been over nearly 2 weeks of them being dried, and they are trying to get a little bit fluffy, but not as fluffy as I would like. So I have a sample here. As you can see, this one is already fluffed. I've already fluffed this one, and it's looking very beautiful. So we want to make this look like this. You can see the difference, can't you? I bet you can. So this is all fluffed up and is looking, that is why it's looking all nice and huge. It looks very beautiful. Very beautiful. So Pampers are they're easy to manage. All you have to do is just leave them somewhere, and once they're dry, that's it. They can last up to at least 2 years, but they can last for a long time if you look after them well. So what we're gonna do is these. I've got 2 bunches, as you can see, they're all tied up, and the reason is you'll see in another video where I was drying them, and that's why I had to tie them with little rubber bands like that, because of how I was hanging them. So always hang them facing down, so it can that's how you should always dry all your flowers. Any flowers that you can dry, always hang them drying upside down. And so let's get into it. So I'm just gonna start with 1 bunch, or let's do 2 bunches. These are two pieces. This in here, they're also 2. I'll show you. I'll get them out of the vase and I'll show you, so you can see these are 2 and these are 2, but you can see the difference. You can see the difference. Look at that. This is, so these are 2, and in each bunch there's 4 sticks. They're very slim, very skinny sticks. That's why I've put them in fours. Yeah. So those are 4 of them, and these are 2 pairs, so 4 each, 8. You can see, you can tell the difference. So we are going to fluff this out, and I will show you how to do it. It's very quick. So what you need is, you will need this, you will need any kind of hairspray. You can go for the cheapest spray, it doesn't matter. This is what I had on me, so I'm gonna be using this. This is a bit expensive, but try to just buy the cheapest, it will work. So first of all, as you can see, I'm facing it upwards, and then we're gonna start spraying. Make sure you don't do this at home. Don't do if you're gonna do this to, if you have a lot of pampers, do it outside is better, because it's much more airy. So we're gonna start by spraying. See how far I'm putting my spray is quite far, so just spray a little bit, come on the top, keep spraying and keep shaking as you're spraying. Shake them as you're spraying, so to just keep that, that motion of them being not too stuck together. As you can see, the reason as to why we are using this hairspray, it's because Pampers, when you harvest them, they always have those bits that will be falling off. But you can see some flyaways, yeah. So what we're doing now, when we spray them and shake them, we're trying to reduce that that flaring of the I'm calling it the flaring of the Pampers. So it's getting better now. You don't want to spray too much and not too close. So that would be enough. That would be enough. Just give it a wiggle. Give it a wiggle. Next, we're gonna have to dry them. We have to dry that spray that we've just put. You can leave them to dry. Once again, put them upside down and just leave them outside to dry, because I need them now. I'm gonna have to use the hair dryer, and I think a hair dryer gives the best results, because you can control the fluffiness to however fluffy you want it. So I'm gonna show you how I fluff mine. So I've got my little blow dryer. This is my kids' blow dryer. We don't really use it, but it works. So what you do is hold them as you're holding it straight. It's always good to do it when it's against a wall. because you can control it better. I'm just gonna show you here, and we hope it works. So keep watching. This is gonna be a little bit noisy, so bear with me, but it's gonna be very, very helpful. Let's go. As you can see, I'm doing the downward motion, like trying to dig in and bring out, dig in and bring out. See how beautiful that looks now. Doesn't it look beautiful? That looks so pretty. Compare, I still have one stick left here, but just compare. You can see the difference? So this is how you fluff your pampers. This is how you fluff your pampers. It's so easy. It just needs a bit of patience. And look how beautiful that looks. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video or you like my channel, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on that notification so whenever I come online or I drop a video, you'll be the first one to see it. Thanks a lot, and